This is Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check whether your device is original or fake. So first of all, you will need to find the serial number, just dial the secret code that will reveal the actual true serial number, which is *#06#. So here is the serial number. Now take whatever packaging that you have, and the packaging or the box from the device should have the sticker that shows the serial number as well. So compare those serial numbers, and if they correspond, you are 99.9 or even 100% golden in terms of your phone being original. Additionally, you can also flip your phone, and if the device is new, it should have the sticker at the back, which, as you can see, also contains the email numbers and the serial number. Well, if the camera will focus, so here it is. And if all three serial numbers correspond, that means that you have nothing to worry about and your phone is 100% original. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.